Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will be seeing the continue video of the first one, the things which you have to get from India to Canada. So in this video I'll be sharing some couple of things which I have not covered in the first video. So stay tuned. So let's start with the first thing, that is a kitchen utensils. So as an Indian we are very fond of a kitchen utensils, and it feels good when you have a set of utensils to cook nicely. So yes, keeping this in mind, what I did is I just got some of the utensils as I was running out of place in my baggage. So what happened, I just got the cooker, idli cooker, and pan, and some steel spoons along with me, and one more thing is manual cutter. So these are the things which I got it. As coming to the cooker, what happened is it was taken in a big bazaar. So there was an offer going on. It is a combo cooker. So it is like 5 liter of cooker and 3 liter cooker which is sharing a common lid. So cooker I got it. Along with the cooker I got an extra pair of gasket, that is a cooker rubber, and one more whistle. So for the safety purpose I just got this one as well. So I had quite enough space. I made the luggage in such a way that all things should be fitting in that. So next, moving into the idli cooker. So idli cooker we buy it in online. I'll just link that one in below. Just go and check it out. So idli cooker we buy, and as we belong to South India, we are idli and dosa lovers. So we just thought that this is a very good to have a idli and dosa pan with us. So we got that one, and it is serving good so long. Next one, dosa pan. So the dosa pan, even I got that one as well in Amazon. So we got that one, and it was an offer going on, that be grand sale or something. So we buy it in advance and kept it along with that. Next, even that link will be there in description. Please go and check it if you want to buy. Next, coming to the manual cutter. Manual cutter was bought even online. The most of the things which I buy online only. So but when it is coming, we didn't get it online, and we compared the price with offline. So we just saw that if any difference is there, then we went to a shop nearby and we got it. So the spoons and other stuffs like rice spoon or the sambar spoon, we already had in our home, so we just got it. We didn't buy anything there. So yes, and the manual cutter we got it. So yes, these are the things which we can get it, and these are the things which I got it. And coming to the other stuff, if you have a place, I would suggest you to get some steel plates and the grill on this, if you are making fulka and all. So the grill will be helpful, as we don't have a fire stoves here. It is an electric stove. And yes, I want to add one more thing. Whatever utensils you buy here should be an induction bottom. So it is suggested to buy a induction bottom. So yes, these are the things I got it from India. And yes, coming to the, if you have a place, I would suggest you to get some steel plates, katoris, and some glasses, as most of the steels, most of the utensils here, as I am staying in a fully furnished house, so I saw that even the utensils have been given by the apartment itself. The plates are ceramic, and even katoris are ceramic, and the glasses are made up of a glass. So glasses in the sense water drinking glass. So yes, these are the things. If you want to have a steel in your day-to-day usage, then you can get that one as well. So next, actually the one thing I want to share, one experience here is, if you are fond of drinking a water in copper bottle or copper jug, a copper bottle I would not suggest, as washing is too hectic in there. So if copper jug or copper tumbler, so then please make a space and get it. As we were used to drink a copper water, so but unfortunately what happened is I didn't have any space in my luggage. So the things, I have to remove the copper jug. Forcibly I have to remove the copper jug. So again I'll give it back to my mother, keep it safe. Maybe future I'll come and take it. So if I'm getting something in Canada, I'm looking forward to take that one. If you find somewhere, just please let me know if there is some copper jug and all, if you get noticed in Montreal. So yes, these are the things which I can get it here. And yes, coming to the next point, the electronics. So usually what happens is, it is suggested to not to get any electronics from India, has your electric device from India will be expecting 230 volts and Canadian grid will be 120 volts. So it's suggested not to get any electronics, but you can ask me that what can I do with my phone plugs, phone and camera charger and all. So in that case, what we can do is we can just buy a converter, something like this from it's available online as well, even it's available in electronic shops. So to see the pin, you can see here it is a different, so you can buy this and yeah, you can come with this. So it will help you to charge your phone, camera charger, laptop chargers. So this is the only thing you have to get electronically. But if you will be having any space, like if you wanna really get your mixer, grinder or some straightener and all, just go for the product which will have a volt, specific volt, that is 130, 120 accordingly. So go for that and check it out. And yes, actually the straightener and all which we use in India doesn't work here, hair dryer or straightener, so you have to leave it there. Simply don't carry it along with you, increase of luggage, so just leave it and come buy it here after some days. So yes, this is what it is. Yep, this is about the electronics things. And come moving next into the some basic tip I can tell. You can buy some toiletries and you can come like soap and shampoo sachets and some tissues and some face wash and all, scrubs, travel bag, and you can come. For some days you definitely don't want to go for shopping as soon as you will land. So it is suggested, of course you will be planning to stay in Airbnb or something, but it will be provided only with a one bar. So it is suggested if you buy a spare, it will be helpful for you. Yes, this is about the video guys. Take care, bye, stay safe.